Hey guys, today we're going to install this Apex Spoolie Boy hose reel. We're going to connect it to our ARB compressor that's already been mounted up front, and this is going to mount in the tailgate. So let's get started. So what we're doing now is we're getting ready to run our air lines. We're going to start with steel braid from the Spoolie Boy through the tailgate up to the opening here. The steel braid will be good for flexibility and will not break after opening and closing hundreds of times, as it will over its lifetime. And then we're going to connect an adapter on here, and we're going to run a plastic line from here up to the compressor. Sick. Thread tape. Thread tape goes on all the fittings so we don't have any air leaks from the Spoolie Boy. Oh yeah. We're running our wires from the compressor back to the switch that's going to be in the tailgate door, and we're going to go through a pass-through that's in the firewall and keep everything inside the vehicle to keep it nice and clean and keep it away from damage. What the fuck? Make sure you always wrap it up for safety. All right, so now we have the spool hooked up back here. We have, here's our feed line from the compressor that's mounted up front. We have our power source for the switches running into the back here through the tailgate. We have multiple sources here. We have the spool that we can hook this to. We have the ARB chuck below that you can plug an air hose into. You have your switch down here. It's actually lighted switch. You can see it illuminated when it's on. You have your spool here. So you would hook up your air chuck, pull your reel out. This will reach all the way around the car, air up all your tires. You could use a blowgun, blow the dirt off of things, blow the water off after you wash the vehicle. Lots of different uses for the air hose. Then when you're done, unhook your chuck, unlock your lock, wind it up. Just like that. It's pretty nifty, pretty slick. That's it for today. Can't stay here, get out.